Okay, this is my 1988 Mazda RX7 GXL. Uh, well, it won't start from time to time, but if it does start, it won't idle. So, I'll let y'all guys try to figure it out. Sometimes it just needs a little time, like once the oil pressure gets up, the little oil pressure gauge, it's a little closer. Yeah, once it builds up, then usually it'll start all right. Like I just started up probably about 30 minutes ago, maybe 45, and moved it up a bit, but now she don't want to start. But after a while, as it sits, it seems like it builds back up compression or something. I don't know, but tried a lot of things. I was even thinking it might be my emissions control unit. Think it might be going bad. Swapped out the ignition coils. Played with the fast idle screw on top of the intake, the rich lean switch, and still nothing. Yeah, I do need to add coolant. I will be doing it very soon because I know how hot these engines get. So, but hopefully I can get some feedback on what's possibly going on. If any of y'all fellas know, I really appreciate it.